Children, this is the second module of lesson 5, Greenland, the land of ice and snow. Earlier you have read in module 1 about the location of Greenland, climate, vegetation and wildlife of Greenland. Now you will learn about the lifestyle of the people. People who live in Greenland are called Eskimos. Eskimos. These Eskimos, because they live in very harsh conditions. You can yourself imagine, bache, how hard life would be where there is freezing cold throughout the year. इतनी ठंड में कैसा उनका लाइफस्टाइल होगा. Always there is snow and ice. Still, these people have adapted themselves to these type of conditions, and these people are very short and stout and their complexion is yellow. They hunt seal, whales and polar bear. What do they hunt? Seals, whales and polar bear. Men and women wear the same type of dress, trousers and heavy jackets. Their jackets have hood. The name of this hood is, call it parka. They call this hood parka. Now, their houses. They live in igloos. They live in snow houses. Their houses are made of snow. These are the big blocks of snow. One opening is there. In extreme winter, when snow is all around, they build these type of houses with the big blocks of snow. And in summers, they build tents made of seal skin or some animal skins. They make tents. But now, these days, many changes have come in their lifestyles. We will read about the modern lifestyle after a short while. Let us first read about how do they travel, what they use when they go from one place to another. While going from one place to another, they use sledges. They use sledges. Sledges are driven by reindeer or wolf-like dogs called huskies. Their sledges are driven by reindeer or by huskies. They drive their sledge. And in water they use boats. Their boat's name is kyaks. This is a kyak. Kyak is one man's boat. Kyak is a one man's boat. Kyak is used for hunting seal or whale. And otherwise, bigger, broader boats are called umyak. Umyak is also a boat which can carry more people, men, women and children. Umyak. Kyak is a boat driven by one man. Umyak is a boat which can carry many people. So children, Sisimiut, which was earlier known as the Holstenberg, is the second largest city in Greenland. You know the capital is New York. New York is the big city. The second one is Sisimiut. Sisimiut is the second largest city. Their life of Eskimos has changed now. Greatly, it has changed enormously. Why it has changed? Because Eskimos now have come into contact with North America and Europe. Let us have a look About the map again, Greenland is very near to North America. These are all islands of North America. So, because more facilities of communication are available now, so Greenland has been modernized because when it has come into contact with North America or with Europe. So children, now they live in permanent houses with electricity. Have a look at their permanent house. Now they are using electricity also. They are using powered sledges. Now, machinery they are using, television, radio. They use rifles for hunting now, motorboats for fishing. So they are advanced people. They have become advanced people now. Why they have become advanced? Because of spread of education, development of industry, their contact with Europe, their contact with North America. So Eskimos have come into the modern world. Many fur farms have been established in Greenland where they breed animals. Many people have settled in Newark, which is their capital. Air services are also there. Because of the air services, Greenland has become very closer to the rest of the world. A lot of changes have come in their lifestyle now. Don't think that they are now very people, means the backward type of people living in very only igloo houses. Now the Pakka houses have been there, radio, television is available, air services are there. So it has become so advanced, so modernized now. So children, thank you. Read these 2 pages and try to fill up and do the exercises which I will be sending. Thank you.